What do you know when you... So we've got this triangle here. Fill this one as well. We've got this triangle here. All I've done is rotate that, just so we can see the base where the base is. Happy with that? So we've got a base. We don't know our height. We need to find our height. What's the base of this triangle? 5. So we know B equals 5 centimetres, yep. Do we know the height? But we can create a triangle using imaginary line. That's our height, correct? So what do we know about our triangle? If we just look at the little triangle inside, we know an angle, our hypotenuse, and our height to be unknown, but we can find that. Yeah, but we don't need to know about that right now. We're just trying to find that vertical height. So, I identify that I have a hypotenuse, I want an opposite, and I've got an angle, which tells me straight up that I'm using sine theta equals opposite over hypotenuse. I shouldn't use little h, I should use capital H. What is my opposite? Ironically, my opposite's h. My hypotenuse is 7, and sine, I just use 80 again. H equals 7 sine 80.
So everything's in, if we got that with Pythagoras, we use marks.
With that?
Yeah.
What do you mean if you use Pythagoras?
You have 2.5 squared and 7 squared.
You can't do that.
What's that?
Do you know what's in the midpoint?
Oh, no.
So you can't use Pythagoras. So, that's some value. I don't care what the value is. What I want to point out is I'm going to label, pick a letter A, B or C. Ethan?
B.
Alright, the 5's going to be B. Pick a letter C or A. Blake?
Black.
C.
7's going to be C, which makes our angle? Angle A. So that angle, that's our little side A. An angle A, an angle C, and an angle B. Does it matter which one goes where? You have to be opposite. You've got to be opposite, but it doesn't really matter which one's A, which one's B, which one's C. Sweet? So, the area of this triangle equals 5 times 7 sine 80 over 2, which we could write as the rule BC sine theta, or sine A, not theta, sine A over 2. Does that make sense or not? Let's talk about the sine rule.